Communication there in the Northwestern back line, but no danger as he's able to clear. Gary looking for someone to throw it into. Finds Johnson, who gives it back up near the corner of the 18. Back to Johnson in the corner. Johnson gets a good looking cross in. Floats it across. And goal to McAllister. Great cross by Johnson. Finds, I believe that's Kartheiser, soaring above the defense and knocks it in. Goalkeeper found himself in no man's land. Wasn't able to get to the ball. Be able to get a good angle and drive this one in. McAllister players setting up for their runs. See if Kartheiser can get on the end of another one. Ball comes in. Oh, McAllister off the post. I don't know who that is. I think Murphy-Logue flying in there, got his head on it. Great run from him. And oh! So I was trying to describe that shot. Beautiful finish there by Reid Usedom as the ball comes out towards the top of the box, and he just hammers that thing into the upper corner. Gets it outside to Johnson. Johnson cut back towards the middle of the field into Usedom. Usedom with a little bit of time, plays it back to Murphy-Logue. Murphy-Logue outside to Dusha. McAllister pressing in towards the last third here of Northwestern, outside to Marshall. Near sideline edge of the 18, beats his defender. Marshall cuts inside towards the corner. Marshall sends in a low cross on the ground. Marshall, goal! Goal two. That's Tyler Rasmussen, I believe, who great work here on the near side of the field. Balls crossed in all along the ground to take that foul there. As now Northwestern will play with the man down. Murphy, is that Murphy-Logue? Murphy-Logue to take the PK, and so windy you can see that the ball's moving off the penalty mark. So we have 16:40 to go. Murphy-Logue take this PK. Murphy-Logue scores. Not a very good PK, but the keeper went the wrong direction. McAllister now has 4 goals on the day, 5 goals on the year. Let's see, I don't know. And we've got a goal from Ellerbach. Sorry, I was trying to deal with some technical issues in that.